Hello everyone! Are you tired of manually posting to LinkedIn like this every day? What if I told you that you could automate your entire LinkedIn content strategy in under 10 minutes? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to build a powerful auto-posting workflow using AgenticFlow that will schedule and publish your LinkedIn posts automatically. So to begin, we'll head over to the AgenticFlow website, and from here we'll just create the workflow first. So we'll hit Workflows, new workflow, and we'll create it from scratch. So I'll hit workflow and I'll just call the workflow LinkedIn auto poster. Alright, okay, and from here I'll just create the workflow. So before I start showing you how to do this workflow will basically use AI to write the captions and then format the post content to post onto LinkedIn and then automatically schedule it for posting at an optimal time. So our first step would be to ask AI to generate captions for our LinkedIn posts. So I'll just delete this note first. And we need a prompt for the AI to generate the captions. So I'll just add a prompt here. And then the prompt, I'll just put make a post about the tech industry. Okay, once we're done, I'll just create a new node. So this node will basically be asking AI to create the caption. So I'll ask Claude. And then here. So basically, I have already drafted out the prompt for this for demonstration's sake. So this workflow will be available for cloning, so you don't have to manually type this out. So over here, and then we'll just have to edit this a bit. So basically asking it to generate an attractive LinkedIn post. Okay, and I'll hit save. Next, we're going to create the step which allows the workflow to post what we have generated here to LinkedIn. So what I'm going to do is create a post using an MCP connection. So I'll just search MCP and run MCP action. So from here, I'll select my MCP connection, which I've set up previously. So my MCP connection to LinkedIn. And then for the action, I'll just select create text post user. So for this workflow to basically create a text post on LinkedIn. And then for the input parameter, very simple, I'll just say post to LinkedIn using basically what we've generated earlier. So I'll just select the variable here. Okay, so from here I'll hit save. And then the next step, what we have to do is we have to create a trigger. So basically for this workflow to post at specific times, which you have selected. So we'll head over to trigger. And then from here you can see scheduler. So we have to create a new schedule. So I'll just, for the sake of this demonstration, I'll just create the schedule such that this workflow posts every 90 minutes. So I'll just call it 90 minutes. And then for the schedule type, we actually have two options. One is time-based. You can choose for the this schedule to run at every specific time. It can be every day, every week, or every month, or it can be at intervals. So you can select like every 3 days, 2 minutes, 5 hours, weeks, months, or even years. So for the sake of this demonstration, I'll just let it post every 90 minutes. And for the parameters below, as you can see, is basically the user input. So it's basically this part, so the prompt. So this parameter, basically this part, this parameter name part, very importantly, it has to match the name of this. So I'm in here, it's called prompt, so I have to call it prompt here. And for the value, it will just be the input, the prompt lah. So I'll just call it, I'll just say create a post about the tech industry. So I'll just save our parameters and create our schedule. So as you can see, this schedule will run every 90 minutes and we have it here. So when a schedule is created, it will first immediately just make a post in the case of our workflow, and then 90 minutes later, it will make another post and another post subsequently. So you can track the activations through this history tab on top. So I'll just hit history. So as you can see, this was run already, and you can see the detail. So basically, this was posted onto LinkedIn successfully. So I'll just show you on my LinkedIn. Let me just refresh the page to show you. So as you can see, here is our new post about the tech industry. This template I built is linked in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for AgenticFlow today, import this workflow, and you'll be posting automatically within minutes. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again.